Hello and welcome back. Today let me enlighten you with some tips and tricks of IELTS listening module. In this I'm going to tell you that what points you should take care of and you should follow in order to score a higher band. First of all, you should always know the pattern of your exam. Yes, sometimes we don't only know what we are having, what we are facing, है ना? So first of all, you should know about and you should learn about the structure of the exam, the pattern of the exam. For example, the section 1. Almost it includes a telephonic conversation of two people, and based on that you need to fill on the details, right? So you should know the exact structure of your listening exam. Second one, and the most important one, what happens is you lose concentration for once and then boom, your entire paper just, you just get puzzled and you want to remember that answer which you left then and there. It is not possible really. अब जो छूट गया है आंसर, आपको नहीं मिलने वाला है वो आंसर आगे कॉन्वर्सेशन में, so just leave it, skip it. Afterwards, when you are having the time, the 10 minutes time for transferring your answers, that time you should put any answer in that which you could guess of कि हो सकता है ये बोला हो वो बोला हो, that you can fill it up in that time, है ना? तो उस टाइम पे हम टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करेंगे अपना. जो भी आंसर स्किप हुआ है, just let it be and you should focus on the next one. Third tip is that whenever you are listening to the audio, eliminate the incorrect answers. Keep in mind, answers change नहीं होते हैं, answers incorrect होते हैं. Especially in MCQs this happen. आपका जो एक ऑप्शन होगा उसके बारे में एक बार बात हो गई, right? If it is not matching, if you think it is incorrect, उसको उस समय आप eliminate कर सकते हो because it will not repeat itself again. वो answer repeat नहीं होगा. You will not have to go back to that option again. That is for sure. So this is how eliminate the wrong answers first only. Then what you can do, the thing that you take care of, mark your keywords. Always mark your keywords. The time that you get for reading the questions, mark your keywords then and there. It is very, very important step. For example, any name is given and any verb is given there. कि ये जो इंसान है वो ये dash कर रहा है, verb is given, है ना? तो दोनों चीजों को आपने mark कर लेना है, right? After this is the most important tip now. Write your answers in capital letters. हम क्या करते हैं, हमारी हैंड राइटिंग में लिखते हैं जब कर्सिव में और स्मॉल लेटर्स हम यूज करते हैं, सो समटाइम्स इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड बाय द अदर पर्सन एंड द स्पेलिंग्स माइट गेट जम्बल्ड और हो सकता है कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट हो जाए. सो इट इज ऑलवेज बेटर टू राइट इन द बोल्ड कैपिटल लेटर्स सो दैट कोई भी कंफ्यूजन की कुछ भी स्टेट आए ही ना एंड यू नेवर लूज योर मार्क्स इन स्पेलिंग्स. एंड द लास्ट वन इज take care of your spellings. It is very, very important. For this, you should be practicing spelling on daily basis. On this channel, PrepLife Global, we upload the most important spellings that are of listening. You should check out that videos also. Keep learning. Spellings are important. And yes, concentration is the most important thing in listening. So don't lose that.